Hey guys, so if you've been using Payload CMS to build out your Next JS website, I'm going to show you a quick example of how you can get the page to load a lot faster. Now, an issue I was originally having was the main static page would load quick, but any of the dynamic pages that call the database using a slug would be very slow. Now, you can see here in my code that we're fetching the payload object, and then we're doing a find call on it. Now, originally I had this code just sitting in here, and the issue was that each time the page would load, it would be extremely slow because it would be doing a new database call. Now, the way to get around that is you need to use an unstable cache, and you need to wrap the function that calls payload in this unstable cache. And you want to make sure that you are passing in these tags. Now, for my tag, I'm using project-the slug, or the ID of the document that contains the information for this project. So what I've done is in my collections, I have a function which gets called after changes and after delete, and this is doing a revalidation call. This revalidation call is getting passed in a base name, so the project, and then within that revalidation function, I am pulling out the document slug, and I'm creating a base path. Actually, we should rename this to tag. That'll make more sense. And from that tag, I am then calling the revalidate tag. Now, this was a headache that I faced, and I didn't really find much information in the documentation about how to resolve this. So I thought I would make a quick video explaining how I resolved it, and I get significantly faster page loading times now. So if I have a look at my portfolio website here, if we do a performance check, a lighthouse, much better results. It's not needing to call the database every time, and each time we update our documents or our CMS, so we're getting a pretty good score here. So this is how quick it loads now. Very fast. So I hope that helps you guys out. If you need the code, I will share it on GitHub. Thanks a lot. See ya.